Hi friends, this video shows how to create Wi-Fi hotspot using Canon R50. Then connect mobile to that Wi-Fi hotspot. So first we have to go to menu. Then from top we have to select fourth option. Select this fourth option. Then select advanced connection. Select this option, advanced connection. Then select connect to smartphone. Then select add a device to connect to. Then select next. So here we have to select camera access point mode. Select it. Then select easy connection. Then select OK. You can see camera automatically created one Wi-Fi hotspot. You can see the name of the hotspot, EOS R50 54F 885089 Canon 0A. That is the name of the Wi-Fi hotspot. Then below you can see the password. So I am going to connect this mobile phone to that Wi-Fi hotspot. So let me turn off and on Wi-Fi. So it will search and detect that Wi-Fi hotspot. You can see the name of the Wi-Fi hotspot here. Select it. Then we need to enter this password. 5. Okay. I have entered that password. Now it's connecting. Okay, connected. You can see this mobile phone is connected to this Wi-Fi hotspot created using this Canon R50 camera. Okay, then after that, in mobile phone, open Google Play Store, then install this app, Canon Camera Connect. I already installed it. Open it. You can see it's showing one message. Camera detected. So I have to select this tab here. Then in camera we have to select OK. See, connection established. Okay. See. So this way we can create Wi-Fi hotspot in Canon R50 camera, then connect a mobile phone to that Wi-Fi hotspot. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.